Hello everyone, we are group chain of responsibility.
Chain of responsibility exists in the CoF catalog. In behavioral, it passes the request along a chain of handlers, give it a chain to proceed it until one handles it. Why chooses? Original monolithic controller until they can cause cascading failure. CoR decouple responsibility, enable fallback, and increase resilience. The problem is one big booking function did everything. If payment failed, the whole flow broke. Loss or double booking. System crash during peak time. Angry user. The solution is break booking into small steps. Step playing like a chain. For example, authentication, promo, rate limit, availability, payment, fallback, confirm, and then notify.
I will walk you through our booking for deal with chain of responsibility pattern. Our goal is clear separation, easier exception and liability payment fallback. At the center is booking request, is whole or booking data. We pass to small step called handler. Handler do two things: set next to link the chain and handle to do the work. A tiny-based handler keep the link so we can add all these other steps easier. All steps are all promo, then limit, availability, payment, fallback, then confirmation and notification. Booking controller wire them up and call the first handler in the diagram. Booking controller builds the chain. Payment handler charge gateway A. If A fail, payment fallback handler tie gateway B. If B also fail, we enqueue to retry queue for safe defer retry. Every outcome is wrapped in booking result with confirm, pending retry or fail. Participant T simple low. Handler define the process contract. Client the booking controller assemble the chain. Request the booking request carry the detail and the trace. All validate the token. Promo validation check promote code. State limit total abusive traffic. Availability verify room or inventory. Payment call gateway A. Payment fallback use gateway B or enqueue to retry. Confirmation visit the booking. Notification send email or SMS.
Collaborations. When user sends booking, it goes step by step. When payment A fails, it will fall back and try payment B. But if payment B fails, the request will go to retry queue. In this diagram, you can see that when the user submit booking details, it goes to the front end and go right to the booking service. After the validation and everything is done, it will go to the payment A. It will see whether the payment is successful or not. If it's successful, it will mark a payment as successful. But if we go down a little bit, we can see that when the payment fails, it will fall back to the payment B. When payment B is successful, it will mark the payment as successful. If it fails, it will end queue by going back to the retry queue. Pros and cons. It is easy to add or remove steps. It is safer when one part fails. It has more flexible rules, but it could be a bit slower with extra steps, and it could be harder to trace errors. On implementation notes, each step locks result. It adds retry queue for failed payments. It uses unique ID to avoid double booking. For example, like we mentioned earlier, if gateway A fails, it will try the next handler. But how will this fix the app? It will improve reliability because when it fails in one step and it doesn't break all. For availability, users still get response, and it will improve maintainability by allowing us to add new rules easily. Extensions and trade-offs. Extensions, it combined with Memento for rollback of availability locks. It used Observer for async like notifications or logging. It applied Decorator to measure handler trade-offs, slightly slower per request, has more complex flow visualization. It needs robust monitoring and SLA tracking. So let's walk through this scenario of national subsidy rush and payment gateway A outage. At peak time of the server, the payment A can fail, and if it fails, it will fall back and go to the payment B. If payment B works, the booking will be saved. This is also applied to payment A. But if payment B fails, it will put in the retry queue and user will see the status as pending. So what we have learned is that don't put everything in one big function. Use CoR for booking payment pipelines and always test failure cases. And this is our team members and responsibilities. Thank you everyone for your attention.